Smith Jr. Starting inside of row 2 in the number 33. He's out of Strasburg, Pennsylvania in the Mark Gray Automotive Duckwell Furniture Wagon. And that will be Dylan Martin. Starting fourth in the 555. And that car just went pit side. So it'll be the 14 moving up a notch, and that will be Brett Smith, also out of Kunkletown. The 555 did not come out for the race. That's the blue car, and that would be Brody Adamski. And Colin DuBois in the 69C. Bobby Smith is going to grab the lead off the turn 2 down the back to Caminini sits in second, Brett Smith is third, and Dylan Martin is fourth. Caminini and Brett Smith walking a good battle for second place. And DuBois is fifth. Off of turn 2, Bobby Smith Jr. setting the pace. Continues a torrid pace. Brett Smith took a left-hand turn on the inside. The Caminini got a great wing off a pillar to hold him aside. Smith in between turns 1 and 2. Brett Smith third. He's Dylan Martin and fifth, Colin DuBois. They are on the final lap around the speedway. We catch up with Bobby Smith between turns 3 and 4. Second flag is in the air. Bobby Smith Jr. in for the win. Caminini will go second. Brett Smith is third. Dylan Martin fourth.